See this dead super soldier? Now you can see him right now. I have a Jacksepticeye video. Funniest TikToks I can find. Yeah. And this is supposed to be a super soldier. I know where the original name came from. If you've never seen this thing, just to let you know that a tank. And like a tank? You're a liar. Stop capping. I do not say cap. And another thing. If you put your mind to something, nothing's impossible. Ever want to make a working tank in Minecraft? Workable. You even seen someone make a literal car. Yeah, anything's possible. Notch made let you make the code, because if something was missing, there's gonna be a way to do it with, and it has something to do with like syntax. And all I'm gonna do is put slash something 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 something, and there you go. You got your first step, and then you got a bunch more things to do. And if you ever had a dream of getting a tank in the game, well, yeah. And here's what these two guys are for. These things are the wheels. I have the wire attached to the front wheel, and both of them have their brakes engaged. Because if I have the back wheel on, I hope they like to die. Because whenever they come to a stop, or whenever they run up a ramp, they're dead meat. And this part, and this part, and this part, and the entire tank thing, it is, no, wait, the cannon, just, this part is unbreakable. Now it's starting to feel like it's undeletable. That's even a word. Debris. Decals. Go. But I'll show you the origin of what they're doing, if you really want to know. This is one of the cannon bones. The apple guy is the one who's doing all the work within the cannon, even though I control it. This one little kid pumpkin, I managed to get the perfect size first try somehow. He's playing video games. Take that. Yeah, what my son said. Okay, well, let me put the neat lights on. Joanne, what are you gonna get? We have tissues in the bedroom.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do. Are you gonna be one of those kids you got earlier? You got yelled at by our dad because he thought you lost the phone, but with my Minecraft jacket. Remember that video that you guys probably seen, where there's
black dude saying that if you wear any of these jackets, you gotta go. Well, we actually have two. One for my little brother, one for me. My little brother wore the one that was for me. And then he started crying, and that's where Daddy's phone was located. The phone's also damaged.
What phone?
Daddy's phone. He thought you lost it. We thought it was lost in the truck. It wasn't there. It turns out it was right next to the www.rossstores.com bag with these clothes, fluffy clothes.